Oi oi, hello people. I'm currently in Peterborough right now for this ride out. Honestly, I can't wait. I'm hoping that I'm going to the right location. I'm not 100% sure. It just said, it says the shed. And if you type that in into Google Maps, there's like 3 places. So I kind of just picked my poison and I'm heading to a spot. I'm not sure if it is, I'm not sure if it's the right one or not. I can't lie, getting here was fucking amazing. The roads here are so nice. I went through the some of the country roads instead of A roads, and it was manic. It was so nice. I went past the place that do skydiving apparently. Mate, are we having a laugh here? They're more like parachuting. Anyways, I have absolutely no fucking idea where the fuck I am, and I've also got nobody coming with me. Was that an airplane? Oh shit. But yeah, I've got no one that's with me. I'm by myself. I don't actually know anybody at this bike meet. Once I get to the location, I'm going to show you some stuff I've done to the bike and some other shit that happened to it. I swear, every video, some bollocks happens to this bike. Either I change it, I crash it a bit. I don't know, there's always something happening with it. I've never heard of the shed in Peterborough, and there's 3 different kind of places. There's 2 main ones. I've got this shed and then something else, food. And then another one that's kind of fucking miles away from here. And that's more like a hair salon that I've seen. It's one of these 2. It's got to be one of these 2. If not, I'm just going to mess with someone. First impressions of Peterborough? Not that bad. People have told me that this place is a complete shit. And it's quite nice. I mean, to be fair, look at that. Fucking hell, that view. What's that? Is that a church? Oh, hold on. I think I missed a turn. Yeah, I missed a turn. Yeah, fuck. I got distracted by the scenery. I missed a turn. Oh, you know, yeah, you look at that. Fuck it, that's not bad. Well, this is like a marina. Yeah, look at that. Fucking hell. I bet their apartments are expensive as shit. Is that it? Is that it over there? Wait, holy shit, this looks really familiar. Oi, oi. Wait, that's it, I think. Hold on a minute. Yo, it's just a bike meet. Yeah. Calm. Yeah, you? Just park it anywhere.
I'm gonna keep this short. I can't lie, I got there and I was so anxious because I didn't know anybody there. I don't know what they were gonna be like. But everyone turned out to be super cool. I met JZ, super chill guy. I met a few other people as well. And then some of the VIPs turned up. I met Valentino, chill guy as well. Crazy looking S1K, I can't lie. And crazy to think that they traveled all the way from London down to Peterborough. And then out of nowhere, Gringo pulls up.
Gringo, nice to meet you, man. You alright?
Super chill guy as well. It's kind of mad because I've been watching him for years. So to finally meet him and talk to him is kind of crazy.
Yeah, can I try him on? Yeah, fuck it, let's see.
We had this bum strap.
Yeah.
It's too tight, so we took that off, so it's a looser fit there.
Oh, good.
We had to loosen up this area here, but it's all sorted now.
What, these are small?
Yeah, size large.
Fuck knows. Whatever's comfortable. Whatever's comfortable.
Alright, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this bike meet. I just want to say everything you see here on wood is just AI generated. It's all fake, nothing's real.
Alright. Oi, 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 oi. Yeah. Oh no, no. Oi, oi. Oi, oi.
Torie.
Ringo! Oh my days, and they were just wheeling.
I wish I could have got more, but my Action 5 fucking died. It went fucking flat. Anyways, we did a massive loop around Peterborough area, and the ride out ended at the Strip. This is the place that I was looking forward to the most. Now, I can't wheel it for shit, but where I shine is photography at least. Check out everyone's socials in the description. Everyone that's there had some mad clips, I can't lie. You need to check them all out. I managed to charge the Action 5 a little bit, and these are some of the clips that I got.
Oh my days. Fuck. Out of memory, my ass.
Alright, towards the end, I had literally over 600 photos. I'm gonna be honest, at least 60% of them were complete shit because I'm trying to learn how to do flybys still. But these are the best ones that I got. Most of them will obviously be uploaded on Insta, but these are my personal favorite ones. Anyways, I'm pretty shit at intros and outros, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Thanks to JZ for hosting this amazing ride out and bringing everybody together like this. It's been incredible. I genuinely cannot wait for the next one.